Hello everyone, welcome to Master's Teach. Today we are going to discuss about the information communication technology and which is a part of your child pedagogy. Okay, so here child pedagogy, child development and pedagogy ICT. So it have the 30 marks in which today we are going to discuss about the ICT related one, that means information communication technology, ICT in education, computer fundamentals and applications, ICT enriched learning experiences and applications of computer in education. So this is a huge syllabus is there in which I'm going to cover this information and communication technology, the concept, objectives, etc. We'll discuss. Okay, so here the things are this is my small presentation, information and communication technology. Okay, so the educational concept, core concept, like concept is systematic application of scientific knowledge to solve education problems and enhance learning. So growth, so how it is growth from audio visual to digital learning platforms, AI powered tools and immersive technologies. So what is the objective of this teaching ICT? So improve in teaching effectiveness, personalized learning, increasing accessibility and development in 21st century skills. So, what is the characteristics of education technology? It is a systematic approach. It is a learner-centered approach. It is a goal-oriented and resource-based. What is systematic approach? It follows certain structures, methods on learning theories and instructional design. So, learning center. It is not the teacher center. It is the learner center. So, what actually individual needs and what is the different styles of learning and what is the pace of students and goal oriented. So in order to achieve some specific learning outcomes, so some objectives are mentioned. Then resource based, so utilize various resource tools and material to facilitate the effective learning. So advantages and challenges. So what is the advantages and challenges? So enhanced engagement and motivation. So students will get motivated and they will engage. Then there is a personalized learning experience according to the capacity of learning of the people. The it is personalized. So they're going to have great huge access of resources, and there is a collaboration, then immediate feedback, then cost effective in l- long term. So what is the challenges in having the ICT? So digital divide and access issues, people may not get everybody same opportunity to have the ICT. Then teacher also be well trained. Then there is no proper infrastructure. Then technical difficulties always there. This the students are using screen more number of hours. So and to set up ICT labs it cost more. So these are the challenges. So the communication is the foundation of learning. So who are involved in communication? One is sender and the message channel receiver. The sender he start sending the message with the clear purpose and the message, ideas, feelings being conveyed. Channel whom you are sending the message through, which medium you are using, verbal, written, digital. Receiver, it is the person who receive the information, interpret the same what the message is received. So this is the foundation of learning: sender, message, channel, receiver. Then what is the barriers to effective communication? Language barriers, so psychological barriers, physical barriers, cultural barriers. What is language barriers? Yeah, using the double meanings, there is a jargon. Then different linguistic backgrounds that unable to understand the same. Then psychological barriers, which includes emotions, attitude, perceptions, and mental status affecting the message reception. Then physical barriers. What is the physical barriers? When somebody is speaking, there is a noise, there is a distance, then poor infrastructure or environmental factors disturbing the communication. That is the physical barriers. What is cultural barriers? So different culture norms, values, and communication styles create the misunderstanding. So these are the barriers of effective communication: language barriers, psychological barriers, physical barriers, and cultural barriers. Please do remember these are very important for your examination purpose. Then types of communication. Okay, there are four types of communication: verbal, written, non-verbal, digital. So verbal includes the words you spoke, the lecture you given, the discussion it's taken place, the oral presentation. These considered as a verbal communication. Written communication, which is written on the textbooks, notes, assignments, digital text-based communication. Non-verbal, your way of expressing your facial expression, your gestures, your visual cues, and your body language, which considered as a non-verbal communication. What is digital? Digital communication, what? Email, that is electronic mails, video calls, learning management systems, and social media. There are four types of verb communication: verbal, written, non-verbal, and digital. Then teaching as a communication. So anything you want to, like in effective communication, so teaching is like you should have the good knowledge about the values. Okay, you should have the uh, bet- better understanding of the communication. So you should have the purpose. So the teaching as a communication. So teacher as a great the teacher should be a great communicator. That means in order to teach perfectly, in order to communicate perfectly, you have to plan what you are going to teach. You should lay it is there in our lesson planning. Okay, teacher designs clear learning objectives and select appropriate communication strategies. Then encoding, so the content is transformed to understandable format using various instructional methods, various using TLMs and all the stuff. Transmission, how you are going to transmit, like information is delivered through multiple channels and media to reach all the learners. Feedback, so teacher get the assess, understanding, adjust instruction based on student response. So planning, encoding, transmission, feedback, this is the teaching as a communication. Then communication technology application. So what ICT we use? One is interactive boards, other one is LMS, that is learning management system, then video conference, then mobile learning apps. So interactive whiteboards enabling dynamics collaborative lessons with the multiple multimedia integration, learning management system. So it facilitate online courses, assessment, and student tracking. Then video conferences. So we connect the learners across different geographical boundaries. Then mobile learning apps. Now you are using Mohan's Teaching Corner. This app provides anywhere, anytime access and educational content and activities. So communication technology applications are interactive whiteboards, learning management system, video conference, learning, mobile learning apps. So what is the different instructional media and aids? One is oral media, print media, visual media, then multimedia. What is oral media? So only through verbal, only through voice, like radio broadcast, podcast, audio recording, and sound based learning material for audio learners. Okay, audio learners, print media, textbook, workbook, like handouts, newspapers, magazines for reading and references. What is visual media? We use the TLM, charts, diagrams, photographs, posters, graphic organizer for visual representation. What is multimedia? We use video, animation, stimulation, interactive digital content combining the multiple formats. So these are the instructional media aids. Please do remember. Then this is about the ICT. So uh, if you want to join my course, you can download Mohan's Teaching Corner. It costs only 500. I promise you, I'll teach all the subjects related to the child pedagogy and ICT. Okay, and you're going to have n number of practice question papers. So please do subscribe and download Mohan's Teaching Corner, and my YouTube channel name is Masters Teach. So can I wind up now? So all the best for your coming examination. Thank you.